Hey, these are my tips for making money on YouTube. If you have ever wanted to make money on a platform such as YouTube, now is the time. It's a hot, fast market right now. It seems as if everyone has their own YouTube channel nowadays. The first thing is, be original. Be yourself. And whatever you do, don't let the comments section define who your channel becomes in the future. In other words, don't change just because a few people might have commented on your video as too slow or you don't talk fast enough. Watch times are actually increased when people can follow along at a decent pace. Some people just like to hurry through videos, and I say, don't cater to them. They can always fast forward. Content, content, content. They say content is king. And what exactly are you going to make your video about? That's the big question. Maybe you have a funny neighbor that always bothers you, and you could do a remake of your neighbor where you cut to different scenes of you dressed up like your neighbor as you're talking to yourself basically through a window or something. People love characters and acting. It's hilarious at times. You could literally make up all different kinds of characters that approach your office window while you're trying to work. Share and share again. Sharing on social media forums and groups pages is a key plan to getting more views. Try and search out pages that will let you post your YouTube videos and promote them. And don't just say, hey, here's my new video, watch it. Because you need to do a little creative writing and maybe ask a question or come up with a funny tagline to introduce your video on the page. I've found that questions always grab people's attention because people have the desire to be the knowledge base and answer back by leaving a comment. Use appealing thumbnails to grab attention. People are more than likely to click if they see interesting thumbnails. Make sure you select an eye-appealing thumbnail for your video. There are a lot of different free platforms other than Photoshop that you can create a free professional-looking thumbnail for your video. But don't overdo it either. Just make it look like what it is in the video, but with some catchy text and bold letters. I've noticed that bright colors for the background are always eye-catchy. It grabs your vision right to that thumbnail. Give viewers a tease. YouTube's algorithm picks up on how long people watch your video. Maybe give them a teaser at the front of the video to let the viewers know that they might see some bloopers or funny endings if they watch the entire video. It's a great way to keep a viewer's attention and getting your videos to rank higher because of watch times. Don't beg for comments or likes. It's seen in about every video now on YouTube where the creator asks people to like, comment, or subscribe. I believe that's a waste of time because people will comment if they feel like it. If they like your channel, they are going to subscribe to it. You don't have to beg them to do it. If you have compelling enough content, viewers will respond in positive ways. Leave the negative comments. There's always the negative Nelly out there and they comment on your video. They're actually great for your channel though. Unless someone is being downright offensive or abusive, then I say leave it be. Others will engage with that person and actually come to your defense many times. Plus, the more reactions and comments, the better it is for you. I just know of some YouTube creators that think every little negative comment should be trashed or removed. Don't get into that habit. Other viewers will spot it out and they will be afraid to leave a comment based on their true feelings. Respond to the audience. Viewers love when the creator responds to their comment. I know this might take a lot of time to do once your channel starts exploding, but it's good to keep up with the comments the best you can. You might even hire a friend or someone to respond to their mobile device and give them a little kickback too. It makes your channel seem fresh and updated. Don't be afraid to try new things. Never get caught up in the same old storylines. Be real. Be creative in your videos. Even if you think it is way too off the wall for viewers to see, you will be surprised at how many people will respond in a positive way. Life is so boring at times, and we all need laughter and things that really make us think. Make your style of comedy or seriousness rule your channel. Viewers will know what to expect and keep watching more and more of your videos. Funny slogans or phrases. Viewers love it when a creator comes up with a catchy slogan or saying that they can repeat throughout their day and give themselves a chuckle. It will kind of brand your channel as well. Their friends will ask them what they are talking about, and then they will be guided to your channel by that viewer who is repeating your funny slogan or line. It's like Nike and Just Do It. Everyone knows who created that slogan, and people will start to associate your slogan with your channel or videos. Copyrighted material do's and don'ts. When it comes to using copyrighted music or other materials in your videos, I would suggest stay away from it. It can get your videos demonetized, and you basically give the music creator or whoever owns the copyrighted content access to making money off of your hard work. You don't need that. YouTube will basically play ads in front of your video, and the copyright owner will receive the commission off of it. You work too hard on your videos, and let's keep all that revenue to yourself. Creative and fun editing. Get crazy with your editing if you have to. Have fun with it. Let it all be your style and your passion. The editing process can be very fun and rewarding as well. Adding funny text or video clips can also be an attention-grabbing way of keeping viewers' attention levels high. They won't get bored watching your videos. Now, I know it takes a lot more work to add in elements like video clips, text, or graphics, but in the end, it's worth it. Follow your passions. Most of all, don't forget to follow your heart in your videos. What makes you happy will make others happy too, if they know you are conveying that message through your videos. They can spot out fakes, so be as real as possible in your content and you will be successful. It also keeps you from getting bored with your channel in the long run. If you are doing something you love, then you will be more than likely to keep it going for a longer amount of time. One last thought. Don't be afraid to have multiple channels. If you have the desire to create videos on another level than just your one main channel, then do it. It gives you a way to branch out and expand your video creativity with different audiences than one main channel. So get out there and start creating and have fun with it. Don't just create to make money, but to fill that inner desire to share your experiences, characters, and passions with the world. The money will come if you're doing those things first. I hope this helped you figure out some new ways to get your video ideas out there and start on the road to monetizing your channel through growth. It all takes time to get to that point to where you can monetize and have a large following, so patience is key. Don't give up and keep pursuing your dreams.